Guys, hey guys, sorry. Hey guys, it's Ep.3 here. Welcome back to another episode. I started the recording. It immediately cut out after I played this level, so I'm gonna be playing it again. I keep doing this, man. I keep doing this. Alright, let's play it. Just ignore everything else. Ignore it. Or drop road dash. Alright, let's get this finished with. I'm not gonna kill any of these because since the achievement said do not, since I'm playing it all over again for y'all guys, and I just fell. You know what? Why even bother? Let's just move on to the next level if y'all want. You know what? I'm just gonna assume Yunner is whatever. You know what? Let's just do this level again. First death of them all. A drop. A drop. What? Alright, so I'm not gonna kill any of these. Alright, got that. Please replenish. Alright. Alright, did it? I did it. Alright, go up, go up. Alright, good cue. Everyone, we did all practicing. We've been practicing not to hurt me. Got the 1-up back. So technically I did not lose any lives. And that's how I got that one. Well, I don't care. No, stop, no! Yeah, basically that would have been the end. Alright, I'm tired of this level, because let's just go to the Blizzard. You know what it is. Alright, Toad. Let's go off to the scariest place in this island. Alright, so first I'm seeing. Leave me alone! Goomba. God, why? Okay, go. Stupid Goomba, leave me alone. Let me be! Just wanted that. Alright. Yeah, can't get in here, can you? I did not see that. Let's try this again. Although I just got revenge from that Goomba. Great, I was gonna go get it. Now, which door I'm gonna come in? Alright, that one. Oh, so that door is useless. So let's just get in, get her done. Oh, well, it's not technically useless, right? So let's get up here. Move that. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Just die already. Burn! You too. Alright, I'm not scared of ghosts anymore. Dang it, I need to wait for the return. But now! Alright, good timing. But that's not what I wanted, so let's go back. I'm sorry I'm not talking that much. I'm really focusing on this, because... Alright. Oh my god. There we go. Alright, just an emergency hatch. Alright, let's go. Oh, sorry. I was really focusing on that level. Anyways. Alright. Forgot. This might be the end of this series of Toad Tracker. Oh wait, never mind, this is a bonus. I forgot about that. Bonus level. Forgot about that. I don't know if you're gonna see this, but just reach down here. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Oh crap. I'm sorry guys. I moved the camera. Not supposed to, but I did by accident, and I'm gonna need this. Alright. You can touch to turn books pages one by one. You can also touch the edge of the specific page to flip directly to it. Whoa! That's cool. No, that's not the page I want. I got 40. I got plenty. This is actually a train. Yes! I always wanted to go on a train. Sorry if I could hear that in the background. Alright, let's... Oh, great, the stars on the back of the train. This could have been like... Just jump off the back and... Did it. Wait, what? Oh, I found that. I did not actually know that was there. What a coincidence. Alright, give me this. I did not know that was a fruit. A fruit. I mean a radish. Nope. Nope. Not today. Alright, give me the max coins I can get. I want to buy Toadette some nice rings. Alright, we reached the end of the train of the Star Express. Oh, it reminds me of that movie, the Polar Express movie. That was a really good movie. Oh, I like that. Oh, sick. I got what I need. Apparently you don't. Wait. That's so cool. Thank you very much. I just saw that glow. And boop! Just decided to tap on it. Shoot, I don't know. Was there a secret? Oh no, if there was a secret, I need to go back and get it. Alright, there was no secret. Let's go. Hello. Looking straight for me. It's not gonna do anything. Just gonna be in the room right next to you. That's... Oh, sick. Now let's just step on this guy. It's my room now. You're not gonna do anything about it. I got the diamond. Let's get out. Great, the boxes. Right, got that down. Nice, very nice. I can see that. You see that glow on the boxes right in here. I don't know how to get through there. Or how to open that up. Anything? No? Right. Come on. Yes, give me. I need to go back. Boom, got it. I saw it. Could not trick me. Woo! Come on, just let me get the last coin. Or a few coins left. Alright, found the magic hammer, got all 3 stars. I mean, diamonds, keep forgetting. And now I'm in the back of the train. Got the golden star. Booyah! Oh shoot, my shirt's dirty. Oh no! This is my star. And you're not taking this away from me. This is mine, it belongs to me. It's mine. It's my property now. I took it. It's mine. You cannot take it away. Collect the 1-up mushroom. Yep, collected that. My camera is low at a it's almost low at a battery, so I have to make this snappy. Wait, what's that? Oh my god, come on, can't this just... There we go. Hurry up. Got him. It's better than just flipping whole pages. We already went to the mining place, so let's go double cherry. Oh my god, yes. Hit the jackpots. Come on. This is a load of cashes over there. Go, go, go. Get the load of cash. No! 214. Good enough for me. Oh, it's the last boss. I'm gonna miss this game. Don't worry, Toadette, I'll help you. I can't believe that bird didn't even notice that Toadette's there. What the? It's a magic bird. And do you see his eyes changing color? Probably not, because it's blurry. I'm coming. You're not gonna escape from me. You think you're gonna do it? No, I'm not. Alright, let me just... Whatever. Leave me alone, man. I'm just a freaking toad. Oh, thank you, Nintendo. I thought you were not gonna allow the laws of physics. No. Why do I keep going everywhere he's going? Whoa, man. I'm gonna go get that diamond. No! I need to go get down. I need to be down. Diamond, 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 diamond. No diamond. Diamond? No diamond. Come on, bird. I'm waiting for you to come over here. Alright, Toad. Alright, Toad. I mean, alright, bird. I got it. You have wings. There we go. Nope, staying here. Shelter is where I need to go. Wait, how did I die? Did I just walk off? Oh, great, more death. Oh, I'm glad I don't have to go find those gems. Alright, I don't care. I'm making my... We started from the bottom, now we're here. It's still... Well, we started from the bottom, we're still going up. I'm trying to get up. Right there. There's the diamond. You're not gonna get me from here? Nope. The laws of physics don't allow that. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, do that. Yep, that was a bad idea. Should have waited. Thank you for pushing me over there, because I needed that. Come on, Toad, be strong. You do this. I need to, like, this level. I need to... Oh, great. Now I'm going to have to go wait again. Come on, birdie. Why do you think I'm down there? I'm up here. You see me? Yeah, I'm right here. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to go up the ladder. No, not that way. Well, might as well go get the coins. This time I'm not gonna mess up like last time. Alright, go, go, go. It don't matter anymore. Woohoo! Oh my god, treasure! This is what I've been waiting for. I thought I was gonna... One more radish, come on, man. You sick of me? Oh my god, thank you. I needed that. Radish, radish, radish. Oh. Yeah, eat that radish. I think it's a radish. Yeah. Who knew eating radishes can make you fat? Oh wait, I did. That's why I don't eat vegetables. I'm just kidding, I eat vegetables, don't worry. Oh yeah. Oh, that's Tore. I need help, bro. I thought that was me. Come on. Yes, the last final star. And all the gems. And a crown right there. You see that crown right next to her? Yeah, I want that crown. Woo! Hooray! We collected it. We did it. Hooray! We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. Collected every single diamond. Next time, we do the bonus round. But let's just finish the cutscene. Can I throw radishes? Apparently I cannot. Alright, look behind us. Shooting stars. I'm gonna make a wish. I wish I had superpowers. I wish that... Oh, never mind. Too late. Now I'm just gonna get superpowers. Why couldn't we have just rode in this minecart all the way to the end? Whee! That was slow. I rode in faster rides than that. I rode in faster rides than that. We're home, Shy Guy. Another Shy Guy. Mushroom. Radish. A diamond, that's what it was. A pickaxe. A star. Another star. Diamond. Shy Guy. Radish. Mushroom. Pickaxe. Woo! Well, that was it. The end. Uh-oh. Saved. Hooray. We did it. Episode 2 is not open. Wait, what? Episode 2? Episode 2. Oh my god. Is there an episode 3? Oh, well, I guess we're gonna have to find out after we beat this whole level. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in next episode. Episode 2. Captain Toad Treasure Tracker number 2. Thank you guys for watching. See you later, and goodbye. Have a good day.